All right, hello everybody. This is Todd Getz from toddandleahray.com, and today we have another awesome affiliate program to tell you about. This one is so cool. This is one where you can make money by giving away Amazon rebates. And these are deeply discounted items. Rebates as much as 80, 90, or even 100%, where you can actually get items for free when you claim the rebate here from this website. But before we get into this, as always, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you want to make sure to do that. Click that subscribe button and also make sure that you click that little bell so that you turn on notifications and you get notified every time we come out with an awesome video just like this here on YouTube. So the name of this program is called Rebate Key, and they specialize in doing Amazon rebates. So these are a little bit different from coupons. Coupons are where you get the instant discount right as you check out on Amazon. Rebates work differently, where you have to make the purchase first at full price, and then after the return period has passed at about 35 days, then you can claim your rebate. And these rebates, as you can see, are pretty big. Typically, you're going to find them in the 60% plus range, and a lot of them are even 100% rebates. And the reason why sellers will do this, these rebates are actually offered by the Amazon sellers through this website. The reason that they do this is because this is what helps them to launch their products. If they have a new company or a new brand or a new product that they're launching and they want to really gain a lot of traction, get a bunch of exposure, and also hopefully get some good reviews for their products so that they can rank higher and sell more on Amazon. And so that's what this program does, is it matches these sellers with people who want really deeply discounted stuff. Now, to claim one of these rebates or to qualify for one of these rebates, you do have to sign up as a member, and signing up for this is totally free. And so to sign up, you just go up here to the upper right corner where it says sign up, and you click on that. And then you can sign up as a seller. Okay, if you are an Amazon seller yourself and you want to be able to offer rebates through this website, you can do that right here. Or if you just want to buy stuff or get stuff for free, you can do that right over here. So I'm going to sign up as a buyer. And there are a few ways that you can sign up. You can use Facebook or Google. Okay, or just your name and your email, and also a cell phone. They use your cell phone to verify your account, so they'll actually send you a text message with a confirmation code that you'll need to enter in. But over here on the right hand side is where they explain how it all works. So you can read through this, and it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. They also have a frequently asked questions sections. So if you go to their FAQ page, you'll get some more details, or you'll be able to get some more of your questions answered. You know, how does it all work? How do you claim a rebate? And a bunch of other stuff too. Another cool thing about this is that there is quite a high threshold for the number of rebates that you can take. You can get as many as 50 per month. And like I said, this is a totally free program to be a part of, so it doesn't cost you anything to get these rebates. The Amazon sellers are the ones that actually pay to be able to offer rebates through this program. And I'll explain more about how that works once we get on the inside here. So once you get on the inside, this is what it's going to look like. A lot of these rebates are 50% and more, and you can get rebates that are as much as 100%, so you're basically getting a free item. Now, the awesome thing about this is that for every person that you refer into this program, you can make as much as $20. So if you refer just 10 people into this as buyers, you could potentially get up to $200, okay? And so to sign up for the affiliate program, you just click up here where it says affiliate program. This is where you'll get your link right here. So this is our affiliate link. If you want to read the details about the program, it's right here, but you'll see your number of referrals, any commissions that are pending, next payout date, and everything else. And this is something that we just signed up for, so obviously we haven't promoted it yet, but their affiliate page is pretty simple and straightforward. You just have one link that you use to promote it with. And so this is the link that you would share with your family, with your friends, on social media, or wherever else. And basically the way it works is that the more rebates that people claim, the more money you get. And the reason it works that way is because the sellers on this platform pay money every time someone claims a rebate. So for example, let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard. Okay, so for example, something like this MCT oil. This is something that's sold on Amazon. It's 100% rebate, so you basically get it for free. But what's happening here in the background is that the seller not only gives you the 100% rebate, but they also pay a fee to Rebate Key for every rebate that is claimed. Okay, so that's why the more rebates that people claim, the more affiliate commissions you can earn. So that's how that works. Now, the way that I like to do this when I'm actually shopping for a rebate is I will sort by percentage rebate, and this will show me all of the 100% rebates first, and then it'll go down to 99%, 98%, 97%, and so forth and so on. Most of the things on here are going to be 50% rebates or more. A lot of the stuff that's 100% rebate is going to be stuff like supplements and things like that. Obviously, the 100% rebates tend to go pretty fast, so that's why you see a lot of these that are expired, or they say no more left, and you can, actually sign up for notifications whenever they have more rebates available. Once you start getting into the lower rebates like 70%, 80%, 50%, sometimes 30, 20%, that's when you start seeing more variety of stuff. So here's bed sheets, here's a snorkel mask, those kitchen knives, tweezers, things like that. Okay, and so here's one. It's 100% rebate for selenium. This is actually a supplement that we use. So this is one that I'm actually going to claim. So to claim a rebate on something like this, you just click on the one that you want. It'll open up a little window where you can see more pictures of it and all that good stuff. It'll give you some more details like where it's actually sold. So this one is on Amazon. Others might be on Shopify or Walmart or some other place, but this one's on Amazon. Rebate is 100%. Normal price $16.95. Your price will be $0 after you get your rebate. It'll tell you how many more rebates are available today. And for this one, there's 9 more available. If I want to see more information about the product, I can click here, and it'll give me some more information here. If this is a product that I want to buy and claim the rebate on, I just click buy product, and it'll take me to the instructions page. Okay, now in order to claim this rebate, you have to follow this process. If you don't follow this process, then it's likely that you won't qualify for the rebate. So you have to make sure that you follow these directions. First step is to click buy product. Okay, you need to click this link down here where it says go to marketplace and buy product when you're ready to buy the product. You also must buy the product at full price. And if you try to buy the product with another discount code, for example, if you use an Amazon coupon, that purchase will not qualify for a rebate. Okay, so you got to make sure that you buy it at full price. After you've made the purchase, you will have 1 hour to come back here to Rebate Key to enter your order ID in order to claim your rebate. At that point, once you come back here and put your order ID into Rebate Key, you will be automatically pre-approved, and your rebate will be on hold for 30 days. And like I mentioned before, the reason why they make you wait 30 days is so that you don't return the product or get a refund on it and try to abuse the system, right? Because not only would you get a rebate, but then you also got your money back, and that's obviously something that they don't want you to do. So the rebate is on hold for 30 days to make sure that you don't return or refund the product. And then after that, the seller will have 5 days to approve or dispute the rebate. The only reason a seller would dispute the rebate is obviously if you did return it or got a refund. So if you didn't do any of those things, you should qualify for the rebate. If the seller doesn't do anything during that 5-day period, it's automatically approved. Now, the way that this works is that in order to offer the rebate in the first place, the seller has to deposit money in Rebate Key. So as soon as you make the purchase, your rebate money is actually already in Rebate Key. Okay, it's not like the seller still has to pay for the rebate later on. Okay, so Rebate Key kind of works as the third party here to make sure that both sides are holding to their part of the agreement. And so once you kind of understand all of that, you just go down here, you check this box where it says I've read all the instructions, and you accept terms and conditions, and then you click go to marketplace and buy product. Okay, so clicking that button will usually take me straight to the purchase page for that product. And again, I want to make sure that I'm not doing the subscribe and save, I'm not entering any coupon codes, or I'm not claiming any coupons. I'm just doing a one-time purchase, and I'm purchasing at full price. So I'll go ahead and click add to cart, and I'll go ahead and purchase this through Amazon. All right, after I've made my purchase, what I want to do is I want to grab my order number right here. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back to Rebate Key, and here you'll see it automatically brings up this page. So it's telling me that I have 57 minutes left to enter my order ID. So I'm just going to click in here and paste that in there. And once I've done that, I will click confirm purchase. It'll ask me for some additional information. It basically wants to know what mailing address I want my rebate check to be sent to. And so I'll go ahead and fill that out. Okay, and once I've done that, it'll say your mailing address has been successfully saved. You can now continue claiming rebates. So it's going to tell me right here that my next check is due on May 29th for $16.95. But that's basically it. It's a pretty simple system. It's super cool. And like I said, with the affiliate program, the more people you refer into this, the more money you can make, up to $20 per referral, depending on how many rebates that they claim. All you need to do is share your affiliate link with them. So if this is a program that you'd like to join, click the link in the description of this video. That is our affiliate link, and I'd really appreciate it if you use that to join. And if you want to learn more about how to actually make a full-time income as an affiliate marketer and how to build a successful online business, we've got a free training that you can attend. Again, the link for that is going to be at the very top of the description in this video. And that training will show you how we built our online business with our 3 main sources of income and how we did that with absolutely no experience, starting from scratch and building a 7-figure income within less than 3 years. So be sure to check out that training as well. If you got some great value out of this video, go ahead and like it. Be sure to add a comment and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified every time we come out with an awesome video just like this here on YouTube. Once again, this is Todd Getz from toddandleahrae.com, and I will catch you next time.